Hello, good morning. Hi, I'm Hannah Propilando and I am 34 years old. I'm not legally married, but I have two kids though. For now, I am searching for a job that would help me for my future and for my family. As for domestic helper experience, I don't have anything or any experience as DH since I am working here at the Philippines in a private company. But I can do any household chores like cooking, cleaning, and many more. I also love taking care of pets and also taking care of elderly. If given the chance to work as a caregiver for an elderly, that would be very grateful. That would be very grateful for me to help me. And my preferred job would be taking care of elderly. Since I love my parents, that's why I think that would fit me. And my skills is I love cooking any kind of food. I love experimenting any kind of food that suits my taste. And my personality is I am a loner sometimes, and I am also a friendly one. That's it, and thank you.